Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying the Nishman Forming Cream Natural Shine M8. Stay tuned for more tips. Nishman Forming Cream Natural Shine M8 has a special formulation with natural oils to give you the best hairstyle. It helps to create strong hold and low shine all day long.
My life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man? You can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yeah I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop cause the top just ain't enough, huh?
Thank you for choosing Nishman products, stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video, bye bye.